Hello friends, I am Sumit Verma. I am giving presentation on net assignment given by Salikram San. I am from IAPS TAV. Question number 1. Integrate the function tabulated below using Simpson rules. Solution. Observe that the function is tabulated at 10 points. X and fx values are given here in the 10 points. By using Simpson rule, we can solve this question. Simpson rule requires an odd number of points. We will use tabulated rule for the first 2 points and Simpson rule for the rest. Here we do use this tabulated rule formula, and here we use the Simpson 1/3 formula and below. Now we put the value in the formulas. 0.1 by 2 into 6 in the tabulated formula plus 0.1 by 3 into the rest of the values in this Simpson 1/3 formula. By solving this, we get the answer 3.1, and this is the answer. Next, question number 2. The population of a city in a census taken once in 10 years is given below. Estimate the population in the year 1925, 1975 and 1984. Years population in thousand. 1921 35, 1931 42, 1941 58, 1951 84, 1961 120, 1971 165, 1981 220. Now the solution starts. The difference table is given below. First column is year, second is population, third is del f, fourth is del square f, fifth is del cube f. Years 91, 1921, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71 and 81. Population 35, 42, 58, 84, 120, 165 and 220. Now to make the value of del f, we divide 35 by 42, 7, 35 minus 42, 7, 42 minus 58, 16, 58 minus 84, 26, 84 minus 120, 36, 120 minus 165, 45, 165 minus 220, 55. Now for del square f, 7, 16 minus 7, 9, 26 minus 16, 10, 36 minus 26, 10, 45 minus 36, 9 and 55 minus 45, 10. Now for del cube f, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 10 minus 10, 0, 10 minus 1, 1. As del cube f is nearly 0, we can fit a quadratic and use only up to second differences. 1925 is near the top of the table, and we use the forward difference formula. As we know, this is the forward difference formula. Fx is equal to f1 plus del f1 by h bracket x minus x1 plus del square f1 upon 2h square bracket x minus x1 bracket x minus x2, where x minus x1 is uh, as x1 is equal to 1921, h is equal to 10 and x is equal to 1925. Putting the values in above equation, we get u is equal to 0.4. फिर f 1925 is equal to 35 plus 7 bracket into 0.4 plus 9 by 2 into 0.4 into minus 0.6. Answer is 36.7, approximately 37 rounded. When 1975 is near the end of the table, and thus we use the backward difference formula. Backward difference formula is given here. As you put the value of the just we get above, we put in this formula, and by solving this we get the answer is minus 0.6. F 1975 is equal to 220 plus 555 into minus 0.6 plus 10 by 2 into minus 0.6 into minus 0.6 plus 1. and the answer is 195.8 rounded. The year 1984 is outside of the table values, thus we cannot interpolate. If we assume, however, that the trend outside the table is the same as inside, then we can continue using the same metabolic polymers. This is an assumption whose validity is often questionable. In this case, yes, 1985 is very near the last point. We may make this assumption and we get putting the values 1985 minus 1981 by 10 is equal to 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4. Putting the value in formula, we get the answer 244.8 and 200 and approximately 249 rounded. Next question. Question number 3. We have given a table. In this table, we have the five columns, 5 rows. First row is x, x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. And angle radius 0.25, 0.26, 0.27, 0.28, 0.29. Size 0.2474, 0.2575, 0.2667, 0.2764, 0.2860. Dial 0.0097, 0.0096, 0.0097, 0.0096. Del square minus 0.0001 plus 0.0001 minus 0.0001. A portion of a table of size is given above. It is required to find the derivative of this function at x is equal to 0.727. Solution: df by dx x cube is equal to del f1 by h plus 3 del square f1 by 2h is equal to f1 minus 4f square plus 3f cube by 2h is equal to 0.9550. The correct value of the derivative to 4 digits is 0.9638. We will now use a Fourier interval of calculation and calculate the derivative again. Here we have done the calculation. Now df by dx 0.27 is equal to del f2 by h plus del 2 by f2 by 2h square bracket x minus x2 plus x minus x cube. Close. Here we solve these values by putting the values 0.9620 plus 0.00414 is equal to 0.9634. The second value of a polar interval is near the true value. The result obtained in the above example is not surprising. The difference of the tabulated values are taken in differentiation, and if these values are close, there is a server loss of significance. And for instance, we saw that df by dx x cube is equal to l1 minus 4h square plus 3f cube by 2h. There is a rounding error of e in f3 and minus e in f2 and e in f1. Then the error in the derivative due to rounding error would be error 80 by 2h is equal to 4e by h, with 4 significant digits in tabulated values and h is equal to 0.08. This error could equal to 4 into 0.0001 plus 0.4 into 0.0001 by 0.01 is equal to 0.04. Then now R1 bracket x is equal to f3a h square by 6 is greater than or equal to h square by 6, and here we get the answer 0.000.00016. Now question number 4. Here we have given the 3 equations. We have to solve the above equation by Gauss-Seidel or Gauss-Jordan method. Is row interchange necessary for the above equation? Solution. Gauss Jordan elimination involves the reduction of matrix. It involves two main steps: forward elimination, back substitution. The above equation can be represented in 3 into 4 matrix form. The matrix form is shown here. To diagonalize the above matrix, step 1. Multiply the matrix with 1 by 2. Here we multiply the matrix by 1 by 2. Step 2. Row 3. Row 3 minus row 2. Here we minus the row 3 minus row 2. Step 3. Row 2. Row 2 minus row 1. Here we minus row 2 from row 1. Step 4. Row 2 minus 4 by 3 into row 2. Step 5. Row 1. Row 1 minus row 2. Here we minus row 1 from row 2. Step 6. Row 3. Here we minus row 3 minus row 1. Now step 7. Row 3. Minus 1 by 3 into row 3. Here we multiply minus 1 by 3 into row 3. Step 8. Row 1. Row 1 minus row 3. Here we minus row 1 by minus row 3. Step 9. Row 2. 1 by 2 into row 2. Now the obtained matrix is in the form of diagonal and or identity matrix. Therefore, x1 is equal to minus 55 by 18 is equal to minus 3.055. X2 20 by 3 is equal to 6.666. X3 is equal to minus 25 by 9 is equal to minus 2.777. And that's all. तो स्टॉप करना